So the DJI Neo is out, and I have some really cool accessories that are perfect for protecting it and for helping the footage look even better. So there's some really cool stuff here for a tiny little drone that is only $200, so let's check it out.
Mr. Black.
And real quick, if you do have a DJI Neo or you're considering getting one, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I will be making some more videos highlighting some new features and some other accessories. Also, hit that thumbs up button, and that lets YouTube know that you like this kind of content, and it will keep feeding you Neo goodness. I'll put the links to everything down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easily. And the first thing we're going to look at today comes in from Scotty Makes Stuff. As much as I love how tiny and lightweight this drone is, when I put it in my bag, I get nervous that it can break because it is very lightweight and can be fragile. But Scotty Makes Stuff has two different custom cases for your Neo. In fact, they have a variety of different DJI drone cases and accessories, so if you have other DJI drones already, you should check them out. But for the Neo, they have two versions, and both of them are very lightweight. One is thicker than the other. One is just for the Neo itself, and the other one is for the Neo and 2 extra batteries. And I love the way they made this. It is plastic, but it is incredibly strong. I wouldn't worry about my drone getting smashed in a bag or in luggage because this thing is heavy duty. And I love this little lock. It has like the perfect resistance to it. Inside you have the perfect Neo mold and also some nice felt on it, just keeping it from getting scratched or scuffed, just an extra layer of protection. On the bottom, you'll notice that there is a screw thread, and that's so that you can put this little clip here where you can like put this thing on your pants if you're hiking, but also you can use that quarter thread or even this quarter thread. And if you had like a handlebar mount or something on your bike or motorcycle, you can actually have this thing sitting on that. And then whenever you want to get your drone up to just get a couple of follow shots or whatever, you could easily just pop this thing open, get your drone out, fly it, bring it back, put it right there, and go on to your next shot instead of having to always get it out of your backpack. It also does come with a wrist strap, so you can easily, hook it onto something or just wear it around your wrist. And with the battery one, it's great because you can fit those 2 batteries in, and they actually snap into place, and then you can press the button to release it. Just the perfect combination to travel with your Neo and the extra batteries. And yeah, if you do have those extra batteries, that makes a huge difference. And you can get the Neo case for under $35 US, and you can get the battery version for just $5 more. All right, moving on, check out these Freewell filters for your Neo. There's 2 different packs here. You have your standard day pack and your bright day pack. And this can actually make a huge difference in your footage if you want to make it look a little bit more cinematic or give it some more motion blur if you're filming something that's like moving. And also, it might help soften some of that really harsh bright light if it's very sunny outside. It's easy to set up. You just put on the adhesive ring, which is very easy to put on there, and then your filters can just pop on there magnetically, and then they can pop off really easy. It's very simple and quick. And we have the ND8, ND16, and ND32. And the higher the number, the darker the tint, which opens up the exposure and also gives you a little bit more motion blur in your shot. And the difference between the 2 packs is that the Bright Day also has a polarizer on it, which will help reduce glare from reflective surfaces like a body of water or glass. It has multiple layers of premium coating, which is oil repellent, scratch resistant, and ultra lightweight, not to affect the Neo in any way at all. But it's a great way to enhance your shots, especially if you're on the go, and each pack comes in under $20 US. So check out that link in the description. And a quick honorable mention, if you are using like an RC remote control when you're flying your drone, Scotty Makes Stuff actually has these Sin sticks. And you'll notice a huge difference when you're flying because the old ones are very touchy. It's easy to like make quick and rough turns and just not look as smooth. But with these new Sin sticks from Scotty Makes Stuff, you can make your shots way more smooth. There's a lot more resistance to it, and it just feels very nice. There's a couple of different options that you can get, and it's very easy to install, and you will notice a huge difference. But there's also other ways that you can control your Neo. And I actually have 2 of them right here. This is actually a motion controller and the DJI goggles. However, I'm gonna save this for a future video because I do have the Avatar 2 coming in, and it'd be kind of fun to test that out. I've never actually really flown an FPV drone before, so it's gonna be really fun to get my first impressions, and hopefully it's not gonna be too hard to learn. But I'll keep you guys updated with all of that. Plus we will try out the Neo with this setup and see if it's any fun too. But this combo right here is basically 3 times the price of the Neo, so stay tuned for that future video. If you want to see some other cool Neo videos, I have some up on the screen, plus some other DJI videos I'll have on there as well. You click one of those and I'll see you there.